This world in fact does not exist. All the information and things we receive are through our five senses. The world we know is based on our eyes seeing something, our noses sniffing our tongues, our touching our hands, and our listening ears. But, have we ever thought our world is actually different from what our senses convey? Today research and science have found a remarkable understanding and raises doubts in our five senses. Science proves that the world we see and occupy is actually just a stimulus formed in our brain by an electrical signal, electrical impulse. A scientist Frederick Vester once said. Well-known philosopher George Berkeley once said. We believe in the existence of an object simply because we see and touch it, and it responds to us with our perceptions. However, our perception is just an idea in our minds. In other words, the object we see is just a perception or idea in our brain, meaning we have been deceived when we imagine this universe and these things exist in our outside world, outside the mind. To explain further, let us examine how our five senses work. When we see an object, then the light from that object, photon, will penetrate the lens of the eye where it will be inverted and continue to reach the retina. So, the image formed in the retina is actually in an upside-down state. So, the light image will be converted to electrical impulse, where it will be sent through neurons to a small point in the brain, cerebrum, called center vision. This is where the inverse signal and image will be interpreted and seen by the brain as our present vision. The fact is, the real place where the process of seeing takes place is brainwashed. What sees is not the eyes. What sees is the brain. Eyes are just a medium to see. There is no difference in function with contact lenses and glasses. If we still think of the eyes that see, why do we not say that it is actually our contact lenses or glasses that do the process of seeing? Their functions are the same. Three of them are medium in view. The same situation occurs in all our other five senses. All the stimuli and electrical signals from the five senses will each be sent to a specific point in the brain. Imagine. You are given an apple. You sniff, taste and touch the apple. If the nerves that connect the five senses with your brain are cut off, can you still see the apple is red? Can you smell the apple again? Can you still taste the sweetness of the apple? Of course not. The real fact is, the apple you taste sweet and red is just nothing more than an electrical signal, impulse. Try to imagine anyway. When the nerves from the senses of a car driver are connected in parallel to your brain, meaning the driver's nerves will send electrical impulses, signals to two brains. That is the driver's brain and your brain. If the driver is suddenly hit by a truck, surely you will see, hear and feel as if you were also hit by a truck, even though maybe at the time you were at home comfortably. You will also feel pain as a result of the violation due to electrical signals reaching the brain to be interpreted as pain.